Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube app on laptop step by step. So first you need to open your browser. So you can open Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. So in this video, I'm going to use Firefox. So I just opened that. Now go to the search bar and search for YouTube. Or I can just also click this YouTube icon right here and wait for it to open. So once you're on the main page, what you can do is to click this download icon at the top with an arrow. So click on that to add YouTube to your taskbar. And as you can see, YouTube has been added to our taskbar. Now, if we want to pin this, just right click the logo right here. So right click on it and click pin to taskbar. You can also click the start menu or go to the search bar and search for YouTube and use YouTube as an app. And that's basically it. Very simple. So if you want to remove YouTube from the taskbar, just open it and at the top, just click on this icon right here to remove it from your taskbar. Now, if you're using Chrome, so let's open Chrome and I'm going to show you how to install YouTube as an app. So let's open Chrome and open another tab and search for YouTube. I'm gonna remove YouTube from the taskbar first just to show you. So once you open YouTube on Chrome, what you need to do is to click on this icon right here to install YouTube. So just click on that and click on install and it will be installed right away. Or you can also click the three dots, go to the cast, save and share and tap on install YouTube. Then confirm the action and it will be installed and you can use it as an app. And that's it. Very simple. Thanks for watching.